Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I am very fortunate to be able to get these bags sent to me by Ipsy, so thank you guys so much for sending these over. Definitely wanted to share with you guys what products are in these bags, so if you are interested to know, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So they are coming out with this new box. This is the Refreshments box, and on the Ipsy help site it says Refreshments is a new membership of clean face and body essentials at an extraordinary value for members who want to jazz up their everyday routines. Member pricing starts at $5. So yeah, you can sign up if you are an active Ipsy member. You can sign up for this box. Again, it would start at $5. You can skip some months and you can add stuff that you actually want to try out. And then also if you just get stocked up on certain products, then you could also cancel as well. But this is pretty exciting. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh, I haven't opened mine. I don't know where my scissors went. So let's take a look here. Ooh, this bag is really pretty. This is really nice. It has, wait, let me see. I thought it was lemons because it was yellow, but it's actually this like floral print here. It's actually really nice. So let's take a look. The first product in here is a Velvety Body Cream Citrus Spritz. I don't really smell anything, to be honest, so let's see. It has like a clean scent to it. My hands are so dry right now, so I definitely need this cream. It smells good. It does smell like slight citrusy. Not too bad. Actually, I think it smells pretty good. So let's go ahead and keep moving on and seeing what else is in this bag. This is the Luscious Hand Cream, which I just used. I don't really have like a hand cream and a body cream. I just kind of use a cream everywhere. So this one is also in Citrus Spritz. So I think since I opened this one, I am not going to open this one. Let's see if I can just smell through it. This one, unless it's my hands, I can't smell what's in here. So we do get this one in here. And then the last product in here, ooh, we get some cleansing face wipes. I don't really use face wipes on my face to remove my makeup, but I do use face wipes to like remove swatches off my hand and stuff like that. So I'm excited to test these out and put these to use and remove some of those swatches off of my hands. So that is what comes in this refreshment box here. So if you guys are interested in this box, definitely go on their Ipsy site and take a look at it. It is something that will ship together with your glam bag. So again, if you're interested, definitely get on their site and get more information on that. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the first glam bag. This is a little one. This one's the one that retails for $12 a month. So I am just gonna go ahead and show you guys that you do get a brush, or I got a brush here. This is by Bean Gatches, not sure, but it's a powder brush. And it is pretty soft. I have a ton of brushes, so I like the packaging on that. It's pretty nice. I like the green. It's perfect for the holiday season. I also did receive this IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I've actually tried a full size of this, and I actually don't really like this mascara just because it's very clumpy. And you really need to clean off your wand. I don't know if there was like a batch of the mascara, because I know there was a time where a lot of people were complaining about the mascara being really clumpy. So it wasn't just me. I don't know. Let me know if yours wasn't clumpy anymore. I would definitely give it another try. I do like the wand on this. It reminds me of the Essence Lash Princess. That looks like this right there. It's a really nice wand, but I had a full size and I thought it was really clumpy. So let's see what else. I really like the little bag here because it's like kind of like Sherpa. I actually have a few Sherpa sweaters. They're super cute and they're really warm as well. Next thing in here is the Benefit the Professional. I do have a full size of this. I do like it. I think it's really good for pores. It does a really good job. Next up, I have a little mini of the Pure Lease Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. This says it hydrates intensely, firms and brightens, decreases puffiness. I don't really suffer from puffiness, but I do suffer from dark circles. I've never tried this product out, and it's pretty good size. You don't need that much product for your under eyes, so definitely will test this out. Usually you get like half an ounce, or how much product do you get usually on an eye cream? I think it's around like 0.3 to half an ounce for an eye cream, and this one has 0.24, so you get quite a bit of product in that. And then the last product in here is this Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I really like products that have vitamin C in it, so definitely will get some use out of this. It's a cleanser, has vitamin C. I enjoy vitamin C skincare just because it really helps like brighten your skin. I really enjoy vitamin C skincare. I always say that. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one right here. This is the Glam Bag Plus, and also kind of like the Sherpa. This was like really soft. It feels really nice. It feels like those really comfortable Sherpa blankets that are just like cozy. It's really soft. So the first product I see in here is this TULA skincare. This is the So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I've only tried a primer from TULA, so I'm excited to try out another product from the brand. And a scrub is always nice, especially during the winter time where my skin gets a little dry. So here's just the packaging. I really like this colored packaging here, and I've never tried this product out. Let me know if you have and if you enjoy it. Next up, I have another face cream. We did get a face cream last month, I believe. It was from Kate Somerville. So this one is by the brand QMS Medi Cosmetics. This is the Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. Here is the packaging there. My light's maybe a little bright. It is only like 5 p.m. and it's so dark outside. It's crazy that you would think it's like 9 p.m. already. So here's what the packaging looks like. I'm just gonna open this up and smell it. It is a thicker cream. It does look pretty thick in here. It does have a slight scent, but it's not like anything too crazy or anything. So it does look like thick, so I think it'd be good for nighttime. Next up in here is a Verify Veriphy 2020 phytoglycogen peptides eye cream. So here's the packaging and another eye cream. I definitely up for eye creams. Ooh, I really like the packaging. It's very like Christmassy. I like the packaging. I really like eye creams. I definitely try to apply enough day and night, and it does. Does it come in a pump or? Oh, that's I think it is a pump. Wait. Yeah. I was like, wait, what kind of packaging is this? But you do get a pump, and I do like that. I like that because when you have a pump, you're able to kind of control how much product you get. I've never heard of this brand, so let me know if you guys have tried this brand out. Have you tried this product out? What do you think of it? Got a lot of like skincare products, which is nice. Next up in here, I see this Wander Beauty Sky Liner Automatic Gel Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. I don't buy a lot of black eyeliners just because I have some in my collection. And I don't think I've tried very many Wander Beauty products either. So let's see how this one is. Okay. I was hoping it wasn't like pencil. And yeah, it does glide on there pretty nicely. I think it'll be nice. I do use black liners to tight line, and then I also use them in my waterline. I have used them on my lid to kind of just darken the lash line, and then I go in with a liquid liner to do my wing liner sometimes, just to get more use out of the pencil ones as well. Oh wait, let me see. Oh, it twists up. That's really nifty. I would have thought I would have had to sharpen this. So that's pretty nifty. I like that. That's cool. I don't know. I thought it was to sharpen it, but it's not. It's automatic, so that's good. And then the last product in here is a palette by Nomad. This is the Toscana palette. I've never actually tried Nomad Cosmetics. I've been wanting to try their products, so this will be very nice to try out their formula. Here's the packaging again. Here's what the inside looks like. I kind of wish it had like a darker shade. I'm kind of doing the whole judging a book by its cover just looking at this, because I feel like there's a lot of light tones in here. I wish there was like a deeper brown in here, but again, I'll have to test this out and see. I'm really gravitating towards Vino Noble. Wow, this formula is really soft. What? To be honest, like I was like, oh, I've never tried Nomad, I want to try it. And then I looking at the color store, I'm like, this is really light, maybe I should pass on it. But now swatching it, these are, whoa, wow, these are really smooth and pigmented. What? I was not expecting that. Okay, good thing I decided to swatch. Give this palette a real test and use it one of these days and try out the formula. So far, just swatching it, I'm like, wow, this seems like a really good formula. So I'm excited to try this out. I know a lot of people have tried Nomad, and I thought about buying one of their palettes. I forgot the name. The one with all the pastel shades in it. And I thought about buying it during Black Friday, but I never did. So this will be nice to be able to test out the formula of the brand and kind of get a little taste of their formula. So those are all the products in my Ipsy bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let me know if you are subscribed, and if you're not, I will definitely leave a link down in my description box so you guys can check it out if you're interested. Again, also check out Refreshments. This is pretty nifty as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!